Alright, let's start this. I want to make sure I don't cut this plastic. It's really good. Also, wow, so juicy, guys. So juicy. Yum, yum. Ooh, it's kind of spicy. I forgot the sriracha mayo is spicy. Oh, want to make sure the kids, well, I guess they can eat a little bit spicy in it. Okay. Oops. Now let's add some parsley again. Yes. Already add some sauce. A little bit sauce in there. And then let's add some sesame seeds. If it's for me, I want to put some pecan. Chop up like nuts and pecans because it's kind of like a Thai chicken, kind of oriental. Look at that. Wow. Look. Got two. All right. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. You see that? This is the second one. What do you think? Ready to taste it? Now it's time to clean up. Always make some here for home. This is actually for our friends' dinner, but I guess you cannot have too much parsley. I chopped up too much and I forgot to put it some when I was marinating it. But anyway, it's all good. It's all good. Bye, guys. Love, love, love.